Hi, welcome to Cafe Learn, a courseware platform designed to help you transform a traditional class into an active learning experience. It features a clear interface and set of tools that make it very easy and flexible for instructors to create and manage a course. For students, Cafe Learn courses are engaging, personalized, and affordable. Let's take a look. Here is the instructor home screen. By the way, the student view within Cafe Learn mirrors the instructor view and the platform is mobile friendly. As you can see, the title of the course is on the top left, and below that is the course learning path. The items on the top of the page are our various tabs for instructors to monitor progress and the logistics of the course. In the center of the homepage, we have our list of upcoming assignments and a calendar for students to see what they have due and when. And instructors can post announcements. If we scroll down, we find our social tools. This is the grouping feature. Both instructors and students can quickly form a group. Here, you can see some chatter amongst the students about a group project, and the instructor can join the conversation. Students can also communicate with their peers and the instructor in a private chat. All you have to do is click on the name to send a message. This is also where you can see who is currently online. Finally, on the right side of the page lives the communal chat room, which is a great tool for student engagement and collaboration. The arrow facing left expands the chat minimally, and the 4-square arrow opens the feature up fully from anywhere within Cafe Learn. Many instructors choose to use this for feedback, responding to prompts, or for an ongoing discussion. You can use a hashtag to filter a specific conversation for later reference. For example, here you can see all of the questions that students or faculty have asked. The backbone of a Cafe Learn course is the course blueprint, which is a set of learning outcomes and related performance expectations. The blueprint is your roadmap of your course where students can see where they are and what they are working towards. The instructor gives the outcomes short titles and groups them into modules, and the navigation bar on the left reads like a syllabus. Here are examples of modules. Instructors typically structure the modules around topics or by week. Each module houses the learning outcomes that the students need to master to succeed in the course. Further, performance expectations are mapped out below so that the students know what they need to do or create in order to achieve these outcomes. You can quickly navigate through the modules and learning outcomes using this nav bar on the left. Let's take a deeper look into this course's learning path. Let's start with the learning module. We will look at the operant conditioning learning outcome. In both the student and instructor experience, the learning outcome is always prominent in the orange bar, with easy access to more detailed performance expectations, so students always know what they are expected to master. Here are the performance expectations. Below this are all of the activities, resources, and content for this course. You can see here, this instructor has assigned a textbook, a video, a lecture, an assessment, a poll, recordings, and discussion and activities. Cafe Learn's assessment feature is also built straight into the learning path, where instructors can quickly create assessments that enable their students to stay on track. All data is logged and tagged to learning outcomes, and both instructors and students can measure progress for the course. Instructors can also personalize the student experience by assigning content as rewind, as seen here, or fast forward. Rewind content appears in the learning path for students learning who are struggling in the learning outcome and may need an extra resource to catch them up. Fast forward provides a deeper look or higher level content for students that are excelling in the outcome. Aside from instructional content, instructors use the learning path for various activities like group projects, discussions, or polls, as seen in this discussion group here, or this poll up here. Here's an example of a real-time poll. Instructors can launch a poll seamlessly through the learning path and receive immediate real-time feedback from the class. Many instructors use the polls to promote student engagement and as prompts for group or class discussions. The Idea Exchange is our shared repository of assessments, activities, and content for an outcome. It is a place where instructors upload their content tagged to learning outcomes and have the ability to see other pieces of material tagged to the same outcomes. Both open and commercial content can be placed in the Idea Exchange, and many of our users mix both free and commercial resources to create a more affordable course for their students. The Idea Exchange is also a way for users to professionally collaborate by sharing helpful teaching and learning ideas. An instructor also has the ability to designate whether or not their ideas and content become public to others. Here is a list of content tagged to this operant conditioning learning outcome, submitted by many different instructors. Our final feature is our reporting feature, or our data analytics page. It is accessible through the home screen. Here we can track each student's progress and time on task. Instructors have the ability to snapshot the class as a whole, or an individual student, like Ben Franklin here. As seen here, you can filter it module, outcome, assessment, or by student. Students also have the ability to view how they stack up against the rest of the course. Instructors can use this to monitor and adjust their own teaching or track student achievement. Finally, we have the time on task feature. This is where instructors can monitor students' log activity and time spent on each piece of content. So you can see, the Cafe Learn courseware is completely flexible for instructors, enabling them to quickly create and deliver a course that is engaging, personalized, and that promotes student success.